Hello there, here are the new unglued shins for the Powerarmor. This is a latch that holds the pilot's leg into the framework. I'm going to be putting either a linear actuator in each shin or running a Bowden cable to a single shared linear actuator somewhere in the torso. So let's hop on in. I'm just going to be holding the latch in place against my shin. That way the shins will actually stay on my shins. And now the second shin. I'm going to need some slightly longer bolts to keep the springs from falling out of their positions. So in the future, I'll be adding a height extending heel and a spring-loaded toe to add a bit more of a natural walking movement. And of course, eventually, I'm going to be making a version out of all metal. So if you do enjoy my content, be sure to like and subscribe, share it with others, and if they don't find you handsome, they should at least find you handy. Bye-bye.